Assalamualaikum and a very good afternoon. My name is Nur Shafiqah Hartini binti Muhammad Zaki. My metric number is 257146. So today I would like to present my individual project, which is the spending tracker. And this is my local host with tables. And I have table user, income, expenses, category, and budget. And then this is my admin project with the files that will be used in the project in the system. So this is my interface for the purpose of login. So for the new users, they have to register first. For example, at gmail.com abc123. So just sign up and it will notify that you have already registered. So for the purpose of this presentation, I'll be using the users that already logged in. So I just log in. So this is my dashboard. It will display the total income, total expenses, and the balance for the current month. And this part is where the amount is displayed in graphic on today's expenses, balance, budget, and the last 30th day of expenses. So next is your income. So this is where you can add income. For example, like today, I would like to add income from my parents in the amount of 200 ringgit. And then this is a filter function where I can search the amount of income that I have for the month and total, and currently I have 1,400 ringgit of the total income. And if and only if I would like to delete any record that I find it insignificant, so I will just delete it and I can check it back. So as you can see, the amount is not here anymore. So the next one is on the budget. Just like the income, I can add in budget. For example, today I will add budget on food for 50 ringgit. And the filter function will help me to have a view on total budget for the month. So currently I have a total of 450 ringgit. And then if and only if I would like to delete any of the record, I can just delete it. And then the next is on category. So these are the list of category that I have entered in. And for example, you want to add another category, which is books. So you can just add and it will display here. And then the next one is for the expenses. Like I have spent on the 20th of May for food. Let's say KFC. And I spent like 150 ringgit. Oh, that's too much. And then I can see it from the report. So there are three kind of report that I actually try to image in the system. So for the first one is budget versus expenses. This is where I get the idea of illustrating the expenses and budget by category. So here I have a list of categories and I try to display so that we can see the difference between the budget and actual expenses that you have spent on that particular category and how many balance that we have to spend on that category. However, the code does not allow me to have it in a perfect way. So I just want to show you what I am trying to do. And the next one is on the monthly expenses. So you can choose the day, the year, and the month. Okay, for example, like May, these are all the expenses that I have made with a total of $690, 90 ringgit, sorry. And then you can make it difference with the dashboard. It will display the same items. And then for the yearly expenses on 2020, so this is the outcome of January to May. So we have a total of 2,777 ringgit for expenses of the year. So that's all for me, and thank you.